मेरा भी जब ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ था तो यही इसी ऑडिटोरियम में हुआ था, यहीं पे हुआ था। मेरे जो चाचा है अनिल धवन, अ बिग रीजन व्हाई आई एम इन द मूवीज आल्सो।
पहला दिन, पहली पिक्चर, पहली बीवी,
आखिरी बीवी। बहुत अच्छा है।
दूसरी बीवी, तीसरी बीवी. Whatever the first experience is always memorable.
I don't know what to say. Varun is going to take over.
No, no, say it, just say two lines about family.
Family?
क्योंकि सास मतलब you started it so.
Welcome, Anjani. Welcome, Varun. We are excited to have you for the trailer launch, Varun. Varun, 12 साल पहले आपने भी डेब्यू किया था. I spoke to Anjani behind. She's very nervous. What does it feel like जब 12 साल पहले आपने डेब्यू किया था? क्या फीलिंग थी?
मेरा भी जब ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ था तो यही इसी ऑडिटोरियम में हुआ था, यहीं पे हुआ था। बहुत सारे चेहरे सेम हैं एंड just I would just appeal to people that try and give her the same love like you showered on all three of us back then. But उससे बड़ी बात मेरे लिए ये है कि मेरे लिए बहुत इमोशनल डे है आज, क्योंकि मेरे जो चाचा है अनिल धवन, a big reason why I'm in the movies also. He's here, and to just be with him. He was there during my launch also. So Anil Chacha, it's very emotional to now be here. And जब अंजनी बड़ी हो रही थी, he would always बहुत कहानियाँ बोलती थी, आज इसने ये किया, आज उसने वो किया. And I would hear so many stories from him, and then actually to come here and see her go through this journey. मुझे पता है मैं जितना भी बोलूँगा कि उसने खुद किया ये सब, she's backed this film. It's difficult to believe when you're related to a film family. But मेरा कोई संबंध नहीं है महावीर जी के साथ. प्रोफेशनली वी नेवर वर्क टुगेदर, वी जस्ट नोन ईच अदर. इन्होंने उसे मेरे वजह से तो नहीं लिया है, ना ही डैडी की वजह से. आई केम टू नो अबाउट बिनी एंड फैमिली बिकॉज ऑफ टू फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन, शशांक खेतान हु इज डायरेक्टिंग अ फिल्म विद मी एंड वरुण गुप्ता हु इज हियर. इन दोनों ने पिक्चर देखी और मुझे बोला कि ये बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है. एंड आई फेल्ट स्लाइटली ऑफेंडेड, एज इन मुझे तो बोला भी नहीं है देखने के लिए, क्यों नहीं बोला है. एंड देन जब महावीर जी ने मुझे फिल्म दिखाई, I was so moved by the film. I was so touched by the entire cast who's over here. I've been a big fan of Pankaj ji. मतलब Office तो I think I've grown up on Office. उस तरीके की writing आती नहीं है आजकल. But I think Binny and Family is bringing back those family values, and you can watch it with your entire family. So genuinely, it's my privilege to be here, and I'm here as a family member. I'm here. She's my niece, but I'm here like sort of an elder brother. जस्ट टू अपील टू एवरीवन. हम लोग व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, फैमिली ग्रुप्स में लिखते हैं ना कि ये देखो अच्छी पिक्चर है, तो दैट्स माय अपील. आप जाके देखिए अपने फैमिली के साथ, दोस्तों के साथ, बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड जिसके साथ भी देखना है. बट इट्स अ गुड फिल्म, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. एंड लाइक माय फादर नेवर लॉन्च्ड मी बिकॉज वो परंपरा नहीं है हमारे फैमिली में ऐसे. ही डजंट बिलीव इन दैट. सो वी हैव नो हैंड इन व्हाट शी इज डन, सो इट विल बी रॉन्ग फॉर मी टू टेक एनी credit of her success. Genuinely, she's done this by herself, and I'm very proud of you that you've done this journey by yourself.
Anjani, all the good wishes from Varun. I asked him 12 years back, how did he feel? How did you feel during the promotions? And how do you feel right now?
I think he's been very, very kind. What I would be feeling right now is very, very nervous to meet all of you all for the first time. I think this is my first day of promotion. It's the first time I'm interacting with media. So naturally, I am shaking from inside, but I'm very excited for the film. So nervous today, excited for the movie.
आपने कोई टिप्स ली वरुण से? कोई टिप्स दी आपने अंजनी को?
I think his go-to was you just have to be confident no matter what. You can be shaking, fainting, anything. You have to be confident, and you'll be fine.
Yeah, because at this level of the game, जब आप you're making a movie, आप पिक्चर बना रहे हो, लोग पैसे दे रहे थिएटर में आने के लिए, nobody cares about your nervousness. Nobody cares what you feel. It's पंकज जी ने अभी हमें पीछे बोला था, it's your one-on-one with the audience. एंड आई थिंक आपकी पहली फिल्म में अगर आपको मौका मिल रहा है पंकज जी के साथ काम करना, हिमानी मैम के साथ काम करना, बहुत बड़ी बात है.
I'm so
And
grateful. It's
Roshesh, who's my favorite also. And Charu also, who's had wonderful innings now in the film industry. You're not like Animal, no? In this.
No, I'm not. I'm a very sweet, little keh, but very sweet for most of it.
ये भी आपके सामने बड़ी हुई है सर.
सब हम खुद के लिए भी बड़े हुए हैं अपने सामने.
I don't know what to say. Varun is going to take over.
No, just say 2 lines about family.
Family?
क्योंकि सास मतलब you started it so.
I just want to say this much, that it's a beautiful film. When I was shown the film by Mahavir, I was very, very happy, and I told him I'd love to present the film because grandparents are that part of our family that cinema has not given enough importance to. And yes, Kyunki had Ba, which I feel was also a big part of what we wanted to say, that as people get older, we start thinking they're irrelevant and we start forgetting them. Now, when I see my father with my son, and I can come out and go out and do things because my parents take care of my child, which in so many homes grandparents do. So they develop a even better relationship with the children than you can have because you are living life, and they see their youth in your child, and then they connect with your child, and yet this one relationship no one has captured in films. So I'm so proud that महावीर जी ने ये पिक्चर बनाई और संजय जी ने इतनी अच्छी बनाई. And let's all wait for Baby John coming in December because it's all about the family and Varun is family.
मैंने तो पिक्चर देखी है तो आई फील इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड फिल्म. इट्स अ वेरी हार्ट टचिंग फिल्म. ऐसी फिल्में बननी चाहिए यू नो अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स विद ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड द यंगर जनरेशन. तो बहुत अच्छा है. आई पर्सनली लव द डॉक्टर ड्रे जोक अलॉट. ये टोपी वाले आदमी कौन है? हाँ, सिंह महावीर जी. So I'm very happy and very excited to watch it.
We're excited to watch it on 20th of September. Anjani, this is your debut movie. Usually newcomers जब debut करते हैं तो एक romantic या एक commercial pot boiler choose करते हैं. आपने एक family entertainer क्यों choose की?
So, this film, the first time Sanjay sir narrated it to me, nothing felt so right. Because growing up, I have been very, very close to my grandparents. I've had a very close relationship with my grandparents. They're way cooler than my parents, way more modern than my parents, and my parents sitting there have to agree. I was really, really close to my Nana growing up, and I lost him just a year before I heard the script. So I was in a place where I was not doing so well emotionally, and Sanjay sir has written this story with all heart, all honesty, and just a whole lot of emotion. And when I heard it for the first time, I don't want to cry. Nothing felt so right. I felt like it was a sign. I felt like this is, because not every day is a grandfather-granddaughter film made. It's not the most common topic in films today. So I felt it was sent to me from him, and it just felt really right.
Indeed, he's watching up from there and he's really happy.
The film was sent to me from him. That's why it's a grandfather-granddaughter film for the first.
Absolutely. Ekta, Balaji has been associated with different genre of movies. We've seen Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, we've seen Ek Villain, we've seen Crew that was recently very successful. What prompted you and the team to come on board for Binny and Family?
So we've tried our best to be associated with good films always, you know. And I'm not saying we always manage that, but we try. In fact, recently we had a re-release of a film which did better than its original run, Laila Majnu. So, so I guess we have a belief कि कोई भी अच्छा कंटेंट कहीं भी हो और ऑडियंस सुन लेती है और उस कंटेंट को ढूंढ लेती है, चाहे 6 साल बाद बट ढूंढ लेती है. सो ये फिल्म में एक वार्म थी, एक अच्छाई थी. और मुझे लगता है कि आजकल ना बहुत सारे मेरे दोस्त कहते हैं कि यार मम्मी को बाहर ले जाना है, पिक्चर दिखानी है, दादा को बाहर ले जाना है, फैमिली को बाहर ले जाना है. कोई अच्छी मूवी होगी तो ना फैमिली को साथ ले जाएंगे. And so many youngsters decide what films their parents can see because their parents are like, you tell me which movie I can go into the theater and watch. मुझे पता नहीं ये advertising से कौन सी picture अच्छी है या नहीं. तो it's a beautiful movie for families, and मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मावी जी ने हमें ऑन बोर्ड लाए वो एज प्रेजेंटर्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स एंड वी होप टू पुट दिस फिल्म आउट टू द बेस्ट ऑफ आवर कैपेसिटी. थैंक यू सो मच.
मेरा सवाल अंजनी से है कि पंकज कपूर जैसे दिग्गज अभिनेता के साथ डेब्यू फिल्म करने का आपका अनुभव कैसा था, और फिल्म सेट पर ऐसे कुछ आपके स्पेशल मेमोरीज है क्या जो आप बताना चाहोगे?
Hi, thank you for your question. Firstly, I'll start by saying, if I had debuted with another newcomer or someone around my age, it would have been like different. Here, in my first film, my co-star is literally Pankaj Kapoor, sir. Like, how I can't get luckier than that. In my first film, I'm getting the opportunity to work with such a legendary actor. I could not have asked for more. Like, I would have never, if you had told little Anjani that your first film is going to be with someone so established and you're going to get to learn so much, I would have never believed it. So I'm very grateful for that experience. I am very grateful for Pankajji's learnings, everything I learned, just seeing him. Like, without him telling me, just watching him, you just learn so much. And I feel like a lot of my performance that has come out in the film has got to do with it's got a lot to do with the person you're acting with. And if you have someone like Sir, then it's a very easy, smooth ride. And about some special memories, I think the first time I was shooting a scene with him, I was naturally a bit nervous because I was doing my first scene with Pankajji. And right after the scene got over, he was leaving and he turned around, he came, sat me down and said, Anjani, it is my job to give you cues. You need cues, you can ask for it, whether it's pack up, don't think about I'm leaving or I have to go or anything of that. You just have to ask me for cues, and it is my job to give you cues, and I'll be there to do that whenever you need. And that was just so comforting for me as a newcomer. He didn't have to do that at all. He didn't have to do it at all, but it was very kind of him to make me feel so comfortable. And Pankajji's cues, guys, they are literally the same as his performance, so it helps you too much.
सिंस ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो चुका है, अंजनी के लिए क्या फीडबैक है आपका?
Just keep put your head down and keep working hard. That's part of it. There are no freebies, and it's a tough world, and you can make it easier by smiling.
You have also been you are a young person. You have also been to this situation where you had some differences with your grandparents, or maybe you had different opinions. All of us have been through this situation. So has your way of thinking changed after becoming a father now?
100%. वो थोड़ा अजीब लगता है कि मम्मी पापा ने अभी अभी डांटा है और फिर आप बेबी के रूम में आते हो और बच्ची भी डांट रही हो आपको, और फिर बीवी भी डांटती है, तो उस वक्त आप सोचते हो कि आपका पोजीशन क्या है घर पे. बट या नो, बट लाइक राजेश सेड, आई मीन we call this term adulting when you're in between of both these situations. I'm very lucky कि मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है जो बहुत वो लोड भी लेता है. So whenever there is, I think what becomes extremely scary or difficult at that point for the child is the parents' health. वो health जो चीज़ है वो हमें मतलब वो अभी हमें लेना पड़ता है. जब हम छोटे होते तो माँ बाप हमारी फिक्र करते हैं, अभी भी करते हैं. Obviously my mother's here, अभी भी बहुत वारी करती है हमारे बारे में, but हम करते हैं. But same way for I think my brother Siddharth and my sister Shilpa, who are also here. It's a situation that we navigate through, and then I derive all my strength from my mother, and I'm sure that they must be getting theirs also from their mother, Rashmi Chachi. So
Varun on your right and yeah left.
अब आया भाई, तू इतना शर्मा रहा था, हम सोच रहे कहा इतनी फैमिली सेटिंग में फैमिली क्वेश्चन ही पूछना तू.
अच्छा ठीक है, ओके. अंजनी धवन की जनरेशन से क्या सीखते हैं आप, या फिर अंजनी से क्या सीखा आपने?
आई थिंक मेरी जितने भी हमारे इंटरेक्शंस होते हैं, जब भी लाइक अंजनी हैज जस्ट कम होम रिसेंटली, वो शी वाज प्लेइंग विद जोई, तो नताशा और मैं बस उसे घूर रहे थे कि दैट हम अभी काफ़ी बूढ़े हो गए हैं. Just seeing interact, but I feel that their generation is very smart also. They are very aware कि जो चीज़ें हो रही है, they are not living in a bubble. उन्हें पता है कि ज़िंदगी कितनी डिफ़िकल्ट है. मुझे याद है जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था तो मुझे बार बार सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि यार आगे का रास्ता आसान नहीं है, ये है वो है ये है. आई थिंक ये जनरेशन को पता है पहले से कि आगे का रास्ता डिफ़िकल्ट है, हम लोग काम करने के लिए भी तैयार है. बट हमारी एक्सपीरियंसेस है तो गलती भी करेंगे तो ठीक है, सीख जाएंगे. सो दे आर वेरी aware. So I think already this generation is teaching my cousin brothers nodding his head. They're teaching their parents. वो लोग सिखाते हैं कुछ. They are already in that phase, you know, कि सब पता है, कि हमें पता है.
ये वो वाली चैनल. अब तुम एक्टिंग सिखाओगे मुझे.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.